cigarette in the backseat of my car. But I wouldn't give one more hit behind the Jacksonville Walmart. Tonight I broke when I thought of a joke that only you would get. Can't believe it's almost gonna be 6 years, ain't that some shit? Yeah, I miss you, man, when I hear the band in the bar on 5th and Main. Yeah, we tore it up, and I don't know that much anymore, it just ain't the same. I'll never understand, but I guess a big man had a whole other set of plans. I'll keep carrying on your vibes and your songs the best I can, but I miss you, man. For a while it was tough, used to beat myself up for not saying more while you were here. But there ain't no doubt we could cover some ground over a couple of rounds of beers. I reminisce about you, I tell my kids about you. Still got that picture of us down in the Keys. So many yesterdays, never gonna fade away, raising one up to you and me. Yeah, I miss you, man, when I hear the band in the bar on 5th and Main. Yeah, we tore it up, and I don't know that much anymore, it just ain't the same. I'll never understand, but I guess a big man and a whole other set of plans. I keep carrying on your vibes and your songs the best I can, but I miss you, man. I miss you, man. I feel you, man. Hey, I love you, man. Yeah, I miss you, man, when I hear the band in the bar on 5th and Main. Yeah, we tore it up, but I don't go there much anymore, it just ain't the same. I'll never understand, but I guess a big man had a whole other set of plans. I'll keep carrying on your vibes and your songs the best I can, but I miss you, man.